Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lindsay, founder of PaperSpecs with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. I am well known and loved among my friends for my desserts and especially my Christmas cookies. And one of my most prized possessions is my grandmother's old cookbook. I especially love the fact where she jotted down notes to fine-tune one recipe or how to avoid another one completely. This is definitely a family heirloom. It is this sense of cookbook as an heirloom that Sydney's Digitalpress recreated beautifully in Dish, a volume featuring 86 recipes from 44 of Australia's finest chefs. Now, this is a fundraiser, and the proceeds for this book all go to Australia's Starlight Children's Foundation. Designed by co-publisher and creator Kelly Shield, a former chef turned graphic designer, Dish is not only a great collection of recipes, rosewater milk pudding with watermelon granita, anyone? But an impressive example of the quality that can be achieved with digital printing today. The text pages were printed CMYK plus blue on a special fifth unit to closely match a required Pantone blue. The pages were then smythe-sewn with blue thread to match the color of the title on the cover before being bound into said covers. Oh, the cover. Yes, this is digitally printed as well. Then a raised spot UV was applied to give the cover some texture and further visual interest. And as you can see, that visual interest is nothing short of recreating a dinner plate right on the cover, complete with the border decorations and a couple of more or less authentic looking heirloom cracks. The exposed thread gives the book a handmade look and enhances the feel that this is a piece to be treasured. Now the blue matches the headline on the cover, and another fantastic detail. The die-cut and white foil stamp slipcase made from R.J. Wickens' Curious Matter paper. As some of the paper nerds among us will recall, Curious Matter is made from potato starch. Very fitting for a cookbook, don't you think? Cracking open Dish, you'll not only find a multitude of new recipes inside, you'll also discover personal comments by the chefs themselves regarding their experiences, food and cooking, a nice little personal touch. This might not be your grandmother's recipe book handed down through the generations yet, but its fabulous recipes, unique design, conversation-starting cover, and oh so worthwhile cost are enough to make this volume worthy of passing down to your own children and grandchildren. By the way, only 500 of these amazing books were created, and 300 already sold before the book was actually printed. So if you want to get a copy of your own, you better hurry. As you can see, the binding sets and enhances the tone of your printed piece. So for our Pro members, we have created a very extensive binding section. Find it at PaperSpecs.com under the Pros Only tab. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. And of course, it would be amazing if you share with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.